Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel DESI ASTRO, and in this Python tutorial I am going to show you how to code in order to plot a stem plot. So a stem plot is like a combination of your line plot and your scatter plot. So in this plot you can see that at each data points you have plotted a vertical line on the x-axis, and on top of that there is your data points on that y position. So it is a simple plot. So let's do it. And how to plot it? You can see that is a plot, and there's like a star marker is there, and this line perpendicular to your x-axis. So let's see how to create another graph. Okay, so for that import some library. So import numpy as np, and then import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So this will take care of your array, and this will take care of your plotting. Now define x and y data. So x you can give np dot say linear space. Say you want to give -10 to 10, and you want to give say 10 data points. Okay, so here your x. What's wrong? Oh, there is like a small x, sorry. Yeah, so here is your 10 data points. Now you want to give y. So y you can give say, you can give sub np dot exponential, and then np dot give cos x. Now plot a stem. For that type command plt dot a stem, and pass argument x and y, and type plt dot show. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that your baseline is 0 0, and there is your data points at these blue dots. I mean the lines are going perpendicular to x-axis, and at that y there's a dot on that plot. So this is our basic custom plot. Now what we can do, we can do some simple customization, like you want to change the color, you want to change the line style, you want to give label etc. So you can also, yeah, so first give say your line fmt, line formatting. So line fmt, and it will take your solid style. So it is your solid. If you give dashed, See, your line has changed. Your line style has been changed. You can also make dash dot. This has become, and then so you can customize your line style using line FMT. Similarly, you can also change like its marker. So marker FMT, and this will take like color and your marker. So suppose you want to give red a star, run it. See, you have given a red a star. Put it solid. Okay, so red a star. You can put say a red triangle. It's closed. So red triangle. So you can change whatever you can say. Put diamond, so it will come as a diamond. Okay, so this way you can like customize your color and your marker. Now you can also like use, you want to like show these lines with different colors. So for that, use command, use underscore line collection, and so automatically like it is like your true. Okay, so give it false. Let's take boolean value. See, your plots have been plotted with different colors. Now, so like when you make it true, so automatically it is true. So see, become same color, and if you give it false, it will acquire different colors. Now you can also shift this plot. So initially like it is at 0 0 bottom, so just give same bottom and say want to shift at 2. Let's see what will happen. See, your plot has been shifted at 2. Suppose you want to give it say 0.5. See, it has, and like arrows are going in like both directions. So this way you can do. You can also like put this graph say I mean like in a horizontal direction. So for that, Python Matplotlib library. So stem-plot is like basically your like combination of like your perpendicular lines from x-axis and your data at your y position. So we have taken x and y and simply plotted a plt.stem. We have like changes its marker, its line style, and then we have also given its orientation. You can change vertical to horizontal, and this is stuff. So I think you got like pretty cool idea about how to plotting how to do this plot using NumPy and